Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how to create an account in Acuity so that you don't have to fill out your information every single time you sign up for a new class. So let's say that we want to sign up for puppy class. So you'd visit the website, enroll in the class that you want. And normally you would scroll down, and this is pretty typical of all of our drop-in classes. You would then see the different dates and times that we have the class offered. And normally you would click the book button, fill out all your information, and then you would be registered for class. But to kind of bypass that, instead, up at the top here, kind of hidden away in a teeny tiny sized font, we can click on sign up. This is how we're going to create an account in Acuity. So you're going to use the email that you want for your Acuity account. You're going to create a password. Apparently that password isn't good enough. Agree to Acuity's terms and services. Read it if you want. And then click sign up. Okay, so your account has been created. Awesome. So now I am logged in my Acuity account. And let's sign up for Monday's puppy class. I'm going to do this real quick. Oops. Make sure that when you're doing this, you're actually filling out your information, reading everything. Okay, continue to payment. You can add a credit card. You can have that card saved and it'll be saved to your account. If you ever want to pay with cash, we do have a code for that. So then you would bring cash to class. Awesome. So now here is our confirmation page. And then if I ever wanted to view the appointments that I have signed up for, I can view them here quickly. So right now I'm just signed up for puppy class. If you have a Google Calendar or an iCalendar, you can add that class to your calendar. But then also you can see from this page, you can cancel that appointment, reschedule that appointment. You can also edit your info. So if you filled something out incorrectly on here, you can go back in and change that. Okay, so that's how you create an account with Acuity. Now I'm going to show you how to purchase a multi-class pass for our level 3 nosework classes and for Happy Ratters classes. So you can use this class pass to book either of those classes. So we're going to go down to our Scentwork class page, click on that. And there's two different ways that you can go about this. You can either click book now. This will take you to just like the main Scentwork class page. But in order to book or to purchase a package, you're going to want to click this little link right here, which will take you to the packages page. Or you can click on purchase level 3 packages, which will take you directly to that package page as well. All right, so let's purchase a 12 class pass. I'm going to add that to our cart. So you will have to put in your info here. You want to write me a love note, you can. We do have a code for paying with cash for our packages as well. If you wanted to pay with cash or Venmo, just let us know. We can give you that code. Agree to the cancellation policy. These classes do expire. 6 classes expires in 90 days. So you have 3 months to use it. 12 class pass expires in 150 days. If your package expires and you have classes that were still remaining, you do not get refunded. Okay, so we're going to complete that order. Awesome. Here is my order confirmation page. You can see that I have a code right here. And I also have the option to schedule a class right now. So just because you purchased a package, it does not mean that you have registered for any classes. You have to choose the classes that you want to register for. So this code will be emailed to you. You can also click on schedule and we can schedule some classes right now. So why don't we do that? So now you'll see all of, so this, because I clicked schedule from that previous page, it already knows my code. See how all these classes say 0. So these are all the classes that you can use your package for. We've got our drop-in class on Monday for nose work, which happens every Monday. We also have Ratters drop-in classes, which happen every Tuesday. And then we also have our nose work pop-up classes. You can also use your code to register for our Intro to Vehicles class. This one you do have to register for all 6 classes. I do have a 6-class pass, so I could just apply that directly to the 6 classes for the Intro to Vehicles. But let's say that you only had 1 class left in your pass, it would apply that amount to the Intro to Vehicles class, because you do have to sign up for all 6 of those classes. But these other ones are just single classes. Okay, so let's say I want to drop into Monday night's class. I'm going to book. Okay, select and continue. Or we can select this class and add another class. If I know that I want to come to class on the 15th and the 22nd, why don't we do that? So you can see that the 15th has been added down here. Why don't we also add the 22nd? And then if I wanted to add the 29th, I could do that, or I could just say, all right, I want both of these classes, let's continue. Or if you're like, oops, I didn't mean to choose the 22nd, let me remove that one. All right, so your info is going to be filled up up here already. You do have to still tell us the name of your dog. Sorry, some of you guys have multiple dogs. Okay. If you've been to a bajillion classes, like you still have to fill out the release forms. I'm sorry. Okay, continue to payment, but you can see that I'm applying my package code, right? Let's confirm. Awesome. So here's my level 3 nose work class. Now at this point, I am scheduled for multiple classes. Let me look and see. Okay, so I have my Monday night nose work class at 6:15 p.m. And then I also have my Monday night puppy class that we scheduled before at 7:30 p.m. If I had previous appointments, I can view them here. But these are my upcoming appointments that I have not attended yet. I can also click here on Manage Codes, and I can see how many maybe classes that I have left. So here's a 12 class pass that I purchased previously that I haven't used yet. So you see how it says 720 minutes remaining. All right, guys, like that's just one of the things with Acuity. Each class is 60 minutes. So if you bought a 12 class pass, that means you have 720 minutes in your pass. Now, I purchased a class with this package. So 720 minus a 60-minute class means that I have 660 minutes remaining. So to figure out how many classes you have left, you would just take however many minutes you have remaining up here and divide that by 60. And you'll see how many classes you have left. So if you divide 660 by 60 minutes, you'll see that I have 11 classes left. Okay, so I showed you before how to book a class with your package from the confirmation page right after you purchased your 6 or 12 class pass. But let's say that a few days goes by and you're like, oh, I want to book another class from my package. This is how you would do it. So we can come to the website. We can either click book now on the home page, which is going to take you to the main Acuity scheduling page. You can scroll down through the classes until you get to sent work classes, or you can click on services, sent work classes, book now. Okay, this will take you directly to the sent work classes only on Acuity. Here they are. But I do have an account, so I want to log in first. So always check on the upper right-hand corner if you have an account and make sure that you are logged in. All right, so now let's book this Tuesday Happy Routers class. We've got a 6:15 and a 7:30 p.m. class open next week, Tuesday. Let's book the 6:15. I'm logged into my account, so that information is already filled out. I'm gonna fill out the rest. All right, so this is now where we are going to have to enter our code in order to redeem the class from our package. So remember that the code will always be emailed to you once you purchase the package. So if you don't remember what this code is, bring up that email again, or if you've completely forgotten, just shoot us an email and we can remind you what it is. So here's my code. And it's going to credit that class. Awesome. Now I'm also booked for a Happy Routers class on Tuesday. So again, I can come up here, check out all the appointments that I'm registered for. Monday at 6:15 for nose work. I've also got a puppy class that I'm registered for on Monday evening. And I have Happy Routers class on Tuesday that I'm registered for. And if I want to see how many classes I have left in my pass, you'll see I now have 600 minutes remaining. So 600 divided by 60 is 10. I have 10 classes remaining with this package code. Oh, so yeah, if you forget what your code is, not a big deal. You can come up here. You don't have to email us and just go to manage codes. Here it is. Copy that. Then go to the class that you want to book and paste it into the code space. All right, guys, hopefully this tutorial was helpful in how to create an account in Acuity and how to use your multi-class passes. If you have any questions, we're always here to help. Please shoot us an email, info@thenoblebeasttraining.com.